Today's episode is Charlie Brown defeats an alien on his summer camping trip. Enjoy! Wow! Just wow! Isn't this a nice camp, good old Charlie Brown? Thanks to you for planning this trip.
You're welcome. I'm always your favorite person. Besides, we will have fun. So don't worry about it. No wasp or horsefly or hornet or anything will kill us.
Okay, buddy. Hold on, Charlie Brown. I got a phone call. Ugh. Hello.
Oh, hey Cage, I'm just getting ready for the camp, so I'll be there in 10 minutes. Is Charlie Brown here?
Well, he's here with us. I just pray if this trip will go well and smoothly.
Well, I am hoping one day, Yowtoos will announce your Avatar plush coming out.
Well, I need to go. Thanks for telling. See you when you get here, bestie.
What's that noise? It sounds like I smell humans. Wait a minute, is that? The group is here, and they are camping at my master's forest. I better stop this madness and destroy them, and warn my master.
Do you hear that?
I hear footsteps. I don't like where this is going.
This gives me goosebumps. I'm scared, buddy.
That's right. It is I, Brad, the hitman of my master, and I'm gonna make you suffer, you blockhead.
You think you can try to kill me? And my friend Cage? Well, since you want to fight, then let's wrestle so I can tear you apart. So, it is on, Brad, you little freak.
Okay, bet. I'm gonna whoop your butt.
Bring it.
Get over here.
Stop doing that combo. You stupid jerk.
You're too weak.
You know what? Screw this crap. Since I learned how to fight, time to use my strong powers. Super slap, activate.
Howie 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 howie.
Oh my god! You killed the alien.
I sure did. And I saved us from being perished. Besides, Heather will be happy. Right?
Yeah. But I'm speechless that you defended yourself for the first time. That was a weird camp trip. Oh, there's Heather.
Oh. Hey Charlie Brown.
Hey Heather. Give me a big hug. Guess what I did today? I defeated an actual alien today.
For real? Well. Are you okay, Charlie Brown?
Arg. I'm okay, Heather Wold.
Well, I'm proud. So why don't we say let's go swimming at the lake?
Yeah.
Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and turn on notifications to see more. This is Cage Sawyer signing off. Goodbye!